How to change iOS 18 Photo app. Let's get started. Apple has completely redesigned the Photos app. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you get back to the old iOS 17 Photos app. Launch your photos. Now when you scroll down, you're going to find different sections over here. The current Photos app is really messy. If you want to get back to the old one, what you have to do is scroll all the way down, click on the option Customize and Reorder. Now here you can reorder or hide collections to personalize your view. You can just check in for the option of albums, media types and utilities. For other options, you can just uncheck. If you want to reorder any of these options, just press and hold on it and then swipe up. Once you are done, you can click on this cross icon given at the top right corner. With that, your photo app has been changed. You can see that. This is similar to the iOS 17 Photos app. So this way you can easily change iOS 18 Photo app. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.